The number of uncollected voter identification cards has risen to close to 150,000. The Electoral Commission of Jamaica is urging voters to collect their IDs ahead of the general election, which is due by September 3rd. As Jamila Maitland explains, while enumerated citizens can vote without the card, the EOJ says it will significantly delay the process.
The Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, is grappling with the number of uncollected voter IDs at its constituency offices island-wide.
We still have in excess of 120,000 ID cards in the offices across the island. And we want these cards to be picked up because if you have your renewed ID card, it allows for us to process you on election day much faster.
Director of Elections Glasspool Brown told TVJ News that there are over 120,000 voter IDs to be collected as of April. Following the recently updated May 31 voters list, an additional 20,000 voters were added. The EOJ says majority of the uncollected cards date back to 2019 when it conducted its renewal exercise in light of the expiration of the existing cards. The card's usefulness, however, was extended to 2021. Still, thousands remain unclaimed. The EOJ also revealed that the high number of uncollected cards is due in part to the automatic renewal process. Mr. Brown says even if you've not visited the office to renew your card, one may be there for you.
So if you receive your card after 2016, most likely would have automatically renewed your card. So a renewed card will be there sitting in the office.
The EOJ fears that with the impending election, the number of uncollected cards is worrying. Notably, enumerated voters can cast their ballot without the physical card. However, the elections director says the process will be delayed.
Because without the card, even though you'll be allowed to vote in a sense, because the law allows you because you're on the voters list. But if an elector turn up on the day without the renewed ID card, there are additional processing that will have to take place. The taking of oaths, etc., etc. And that to a certain extent delay the time that is allocated for each person to go through the process of casting their ballot.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.
The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, has arrested